Hello everyone and welcome back to techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new topic in the form of UiPath forum. So the question is append this is upstairs so into all rows and columns of the data. So basically they have one input file. So in that input file, for example, let me open the sample file here. So, so I have this test input. So just assume that this is my input. So what he needs apostrophe order is like this. So enter the row. So he needs to update like this. So this one, how we can do with this help of UiPath. So let me close this and we'll go back to the UiPath studio and we'll check this. So as usual, first thing we need to read that data table. So I'm using, so the file is in the format of CSV. So I'm taking read CSV file. So after I'm updating this data here, I mean the path. So let me update the path as well. And the output I will make it as DT. So data table. So done. So after right range, so I want to append enter the range into one another workbook. So I will take this same path and I will make here as output dot XLSX. Okay, and sheet as a sheet one and DT. So when I run this, so it will generate that output, but which is not in the our format. So let me show that later. I will show how what are the step needs to be done there. So we'll write one small syntax there. So we'll update that. So initially just I'm reading the data, updating into some other Excel file. So we'll check whether it's working fine or not. So as of now, there is no Excel file in that. So I created and we can see this output. So in this output, as it is, whatever the data is, so just it's come like that. But here he want first vs like this. Okay, let me delete this. I mean, let me delete and I will go back to here and I will write this one small query. So I'm taking this as an activity and I will make one more table as final dating. So let me change this type of the variable. Done. Okay, here I will write the one small syntax. So let me write this here. So my data table is DT. So after that I need to dot enumerable. So as enumerable. So then I need to select. This is a syntax what I am writing. So select function of to an function of I declare one which is nothing but as R. So this is just for a purpose. So dt dot clone dot load data row. Okay, and here we need to update. So as of now, how many rows are there? So I have three rows. So I need to update the three rows. So open and close power bracket or of 0. So this is my first row. After this, so I want to add apostrophes. For example, I want to add apostrophes of at column 1 as of now. So then R of 1 dot to string and finally R of 2. So I have three columns. So I added the three columns. So after this, I want to update so comma let's see false dot copy to data table. So this is a small query which we need to done. So it's showing some error. Let me check what's that error. Okay, where it went. Okay, entire thing has collapsed. Okay, anyway, I saved this file. So let me go back and I will reopen that one. I don't know what has happened suddenly. So I'm reopening that entire workflow. Okay, so here I have been Okay, here I need to check what we mistake. So false. Yeah, I think so. Not it. So anyway, I have that snippet with me. Let me take. Okay, I don't have. Yeah, we'll check the what I did mistake. So DT as numerable select or of DT.Clone. Let me update this capital DT. Okay, DT.Clone load data row of open bracket r of 0 comma r of 1 dot to string. So here it should be comma. Okay, now this error gone disappear. So if you got errors, so we need to check that way. So there is a one method. So now I need to add here headers as well. So now I'm running this bot. So we'll see. So let me check whether is there any data. So output file it's not there. It will create and it will add that apostrophe s. So once this is done, I will show you one more thing apostrophe s. As of now, we added in at column one. So here, so we'll add apostrophe s here similar way. So let me add this as well here. I will go inside and just I will update here. So R of 0 and ampersand and R of 2. If you pass to string is fine. If it is not also it's fine, no problem. So why it's not adding these headers? Okay, headers. Okay, add headers. Okay, let me remove this and we'll try to run one more time. Now we'll see whether it is adding or not. Okay, now it's execution done. I'm going to the output and okay, it's not adding and it's not okay. Headers is there. Okay, it's not adding. So we need to check what is this exact causing the issue. Here I did one small thing. So actually we taken the final data table now, but we make it as a DT. So that's the issue. So let me go back to folder and I will delete output and we'll run. So we'll see how it will works right now. Okay, execution has been completed and moving to output file. And you can see this. Okay, so here I make it as comma. So anyway, we are getting this apostrophe now. So like this, we can update how many rows you want. You can do that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.